Want to know how I went from this to this? Stick around and watch this quick beginner's ab routine.
So live your life. You steady chasing that big bar, just live your life.
So I get a lot of questions in reference to whether or not I train core, and obviously the answer is yes. Just because I don't post a ton of ab routines doesn't mean I don't do it. So a little background history on the tummy area. I have 3 children, ages are 12, 6, and 5 years old. And I definitely wasn't one of those lucky ladies who was able to get snatched right after they had their baby. In this video, I will be showing you all some of the ab workouts I did once I lost all my weight and started my bodybuilding journey. If you would like for me to make a separate video on my weight loss journey, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. When I was cutting, I actually incorporated an entire day for my core and cardio. Now that it's booty building season, I'm not doing as much cardio, but I'm still incorporating abs after my workouts. I try to pick at least 4 exercises, and I do 4 sets of at least 10 to 15 reps. Want to see more ab exercises? Do you want to see my full core and cardio workout? Be sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification button so you're notified every time I post a video. Thanks for watching.